Today's tricky topic in 2 minutes has to do with electrostatics, and specifically cellophane tape trick, scotch tape trick sometimes it's called. So what I'm going to do is take off 2 pieces of tape here, 1, 2. I'm going to stick one sticky side to the smooth side of the other. And then I'm going to pull them apart. Okay, now watch what happens in relation to the plastic bottle. You can see it likes me a lot. It also likes the plastic bottle a lot, right? And the other tape, it's the same deal for. See, it's really strongly attracted to that. It's also strongly attracted to me. So what's going on with these 2 pieces of tape? Well, the idea is that when you pull one piece of tape off the other piece of tape, there's a transfer of electrons. Electrons are the charge carriers that we use as our means of discussing how charge is transferred in science, typically. So, so yeah, one became positively charged, one became negatively charged. Now that may not explain to you why both of them seem to like this bottle, right? Both of them do, right? Or why both of them are like me. Well, that has to do with something called an induced charge. So an induced charge is what happens when you bring something that has a charge on it near something else that doesn't. And what you can do is cause the charges that are free to move in the neutral object around a little bit. So with me, what happens is when I bring the tape close to me, some of my electrons in my finger or whatever's close to the tape, they get pushed away if the tape is negative, and they get brought close if the tape is positive. And so what the tape's really doing is inducing a charge at that point on my finger. And so now if you have 2 things that are oppositely charged, they're going to attract each other. So that's what's happened with tape trick. First is transfer a charge one to the other when you pull them apart. Second thing is that they seem to attract just about everything, and you know, they like themselves too, right? They like each other because we know they're opposite charges. But I want to show you one more trick with this before we're done here today, and that is I'm going to put both pieces of tape, stick them to the iPad. There's one, and here's the other. All right, now I'm going to pull them off. Ready, set, go. And they both still like me, interestingly enough, but I want to show you something about them. Right? Now they don't really like each other anymore. So what happened there? Well, when I put both pieces of tape on the same kind of material, in this case the glass on the front of the iPad, and I pulled them off, both of them acquired the same charge. So when I put both pieces of tape on there and pull them off, now they got the same charge and they're both repelled from each other. Anyway, they'll still like me, of course, good taste, okay, but they won't like each other.